Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use your old mobile phone as a Wi-Fi repeater in 2026. This is one of the easiest way to extend your Wi-Fi using an old Android phone. First, open the Play Store and search for an app called NetShare. Then install the app and open it. Now, all you need to do is tap on Start Wi-Fi Hotspot. That's it. Your Android phone is now working as a Wi-Fi repeater. When you turn on Wi-Fi on your other devices, you will see this network name appear. So select it, enter the password shown in the app and you will be connected. So try this out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.